This week is
This
all
week
about.
tip of the week is we're going over the reason why we invest in real estate. So the end goal.
Yeah, what is the end goal? And we love this, especially tying into the presentation tonight. And if you are watching our investment tip of the week and not getting the full presentation after this, it will be on our Crew TV. And Tim, Crew TV is doing really, really well. I think we've done about 30 investment tips right now. We're getting a lot of feedback from you guys, and so we're going to keep doing it. But the main reason why we invest in real estate, and this is what we have to stress, and if you know us and you've been following us for a long time, we're all about no hype. And I know real estate investing can be all about the hype. We're about no hype, but keeping it real. And when we say keep it real, this magic thing happens in real estate where it goes up in value. And when it goes up in value, we can't tell you exactly when it's going to go up, but we know Calgary's, we're just talking about this, in a very, very good position going forward. And when it does go up in value, this magic thing happens where you create equity and you get to use that equity. And that is a massive reason, Tim, why people invest in real estate. I mean, there's other reasons which we'll talk about later.
Yeah, so the end goal is what we're talking about here. And everybody wants to retire wealthy. And that's what we use our real estate for. And we've been talking about this a lot and how it ties in with this week's seminar in that, you know, most of our clients own real estate, whether it's single family homes or multifamily homes, but you get to a point where, you know, you've generated enough cash flow that you need another real estate vehicle to place your funds in. And tying it in with this week's seminar, Base Camp is going to go over a great opportunity for people to invest and use those funds. And it's real estate as well.
Yeah.
So that's what this is all about. It's building wealth.
Yeah, building wealth, you build your capital, you release that equity, and real estate has all these tangibles that you can actually grow your portfolio. And at the end of the day, what we're talking about is releasing that equity and growing your portfolio, or putting it towards something like we're talking about with Basecamp, putting it towards something where you're earning passive income. And that's where, Tim, at the end of the day, we see a lot of our investors start to relax and use that time in the market. We always talk about it. It's not timing the market, it's time in the market. But use that time in the market to grow your equity, release that equity, and use, literally, Tim, use the house's money to play with. And we've seen investors do all sorts of things, Tim. We've invested in land deals, we've invested in commercial properties, we've seen people go out and open restaurants. And now you can get involved in hotels and apartment buildings. So,
yeah, and that end goal, the final thing about that end goal should be leaving a legacy. So if you have children, or you want to leave your wealth to a charity or something when you pass on, the whole thing of leaving a legacy is why we're doing this, right? Yeah, we can make a lot of money and we can have fun while we're doing it, but you also want your family to be taken care of when you're no longer here. Yeah,
and I really believe, Tim, at the end of the day, you have to take action, and when you take action, then you can get involved. So we can keep talking about passive income and all these exciting opportunities, but you have to take action, and that's why we do what we do, Tim. We hope you like the investment tip of the week. If you've missed previous investment tips of the week, we will put the link down below so you can subscribe to our Crew TV. There's a lot of things going on with Crew TV right now. We're doing property tours, we're doing case studies with our investors, and then we're actually putting on previous seminars that we see value in that will help you move forward with your investing.